just messes, man.
Bruh, this is a big ass bike. Every time I get on this thing, I feel like a little kid. Even pushing it around, man, it's like a damn truck. Introducing the 2018 Kawasaki ZX14R. Come loaded with features, and it can comfortably seat 6 people at the same time. No lie. I can legit raise this, take this seat off, and put a luggage container back there, and close the seat with more room to go. This is coming straight out the brochure. Alright, but enough of that. Let's go ahead and dive into it.
It's just messes, man. 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 It's just just messes around. Messes, it just messes around. Messes, it just messes around. Messes, it just messes around.
Alright, this is all what I've taken off the bike today. Got the speedo, the air box, or should I say the air tubes that go into the air box. We got the fairing stay. Surprisingly, this mirror is still good. This reservoir right here that's not gonna be reusable, as it cracked at the bottom. It's leaking out. You go to fairing pieces. The inner fairing, outer fairing. This thing got a lot of freaking fairings. Like, I didn't know it was this complicated. It was pretty interesting trying to figure out how to take this thing apart for the first time. I didn't look up no instructions or anything. I just dived into it. But this is pretty much the bike as it sit right now. There's a lot going on in here. You see right through the intake tube. Let's see, most likely I'm gonna have to replace the whole wiring harness, possibly. I think I am. There's a lot of places. I mean, I can probably try to salvage it. There's a lot of cut wires in a lot of places. I mean, it's not crazy bad, but I'll finish going into it more on the next video. When I was taking this side of the fairings, I found some glass, like up in here somewhere. So I'm thinking this wasn't no single wreck. This was a car and bike accident, which would probably explain all the red, what appears to be red paint on here. But that's pretty much it for this episode. I'll catch you guys next time.